Okay, this is the Unit 3 post-test. So make sure that you have your name and Unit 3 post-test on the page. And then number 1 through 12. And when you are done taking this test, make sure that you take a picture and post it in Google Classroom under classwork, post-test Unit 3. Okay? Feel free to stop this video at any time, and you can rewind anything that you need to make sure that you can do your best. Okay? Number 1, artist. A sculpture by a famous artist is on display at the local museum. Number 2, birthday. Samantha received a new laptop computer for her birthday. Number 3, chapter. Our teacher instructed us to read one chapter in our textbook. Number 4, confirm. Before leaving on vacation, we must confirm our hotel reservations. Number 5, corner. The flowers growing in the corner of our backyard smell wonderful. Number 6, current. The river's strong current makes swimming dangerous. Number 7, disturb. If we play our music too loudly, we could disturb our neighbors. Number 8, formula. The cosmetics company developed a formula for a new perfume. Number 9, hunger. Childhood hunger is a serious problem in some countries. Number 10, interview. If Alexander's interview is successful, he may be offered the job. Number 11, market. If you are not wise, investing in the stock market can be risky. And then number 12, report. The weather report predicts rain and cold for the next 5 days. All right, so once you are done with this, take a picture and please post under Unit 3 post-test.